Welcome guys to your own financial plan channel where we will discuss about different financial planning strategies. If you ever worried about paying your bills and meeting your expenses, then this is the right platform for you. Here we will discuss about different financial strategies for different purposes such as expenses, for your saving, for meeting your goals and paying on time. Everything will be included for different purposes. We will use different financial plans and everything will be break down into simple step one by one. And small steps count, and we will do by doing some baby steps, and we will create different plans for our different needs, and it will make us financially independent. And these plans include budgeting, investing, savings, and creating multiple income streams. And our basic philosophy is learn, apply, and grow. In this way we will become independent, financially independent, and we will do step by step. We will take baby steps, and this will do miracles in future. And please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon, and we will grow together. And remember, small steps count. Thank you for watching.